It's not easy and it's very dangerous.
Terrain, mountainous. That's something that's never been done in a pipe this big.
If we can go out here and lay a 300-mile project in some of the roughest country that there is in the U.S., you got a smile on your face when they put gas in it at the end of the day.
It literally took an act of Congress and a Supreme Court ruling for us to be able to build this pipeline.
Not everybody's going to come out here and try to tackle one of these projects. They don't have the labor, they don't have the equipment that can lay this size diameter pipe in these hills.
We had to mobilize about 4,500 people in a very short amount of time. It was a challenge to find that size of a workforce.
If you're on a mountain and you're bringing down side booms, you want experienced employees that know what they're doing to make sure that that process runs smooth.
It takes a lot of good communication with those folks, and it takes experienced people. It's not something you can just throw anybody at.
So there are stretches of the right-of-way where we only have access, say, like every 3.5 to 4 miles. So we've utilized helicopters in some instances to fly people in and to fly materials in to help speed up that process.
We fly a lot of material into the right-of-way, into these steeper locations, and it helps reduce the risk for us too when we do that. The least amount of trips that you can do winching, the better off we all are.
Rock is another challenge that we've had to deal with. We had to shoot a lot of surface rock just to build the right-of-way. Blasting is one of the most efficient ways of digging ditch, so that helps keep the project on schedule. We started the project in the spring of 2018. We've had various starts and stops over the past 5 years, and then we finally got full clearance to finish the project in the summer of 2023.
We have overcome, we have rose to the occasion and met all the standards from a national and a state regulatory perspective, and I think our environmental crews do a great job.
And one of my journeymen said it best to me a while back. He said, "You don't have a pipeline job here. You have an environmental job with very little pipe."
Yeah, so overall the project's about 309 miles of 42-inch. So we roughly have 128 miles on the northern section of West Virginia, and then we have 109 miles in Virginia.
The goal of the project here is to get gas from West Virginia and Pennsylvania to the East Coast and provide cheaper gas for everyday Americans.
It's very important that we complete this project as safely and efficiently as possible while maintaining environmental compliance to prove to everybody that it can be done. Looking back at all the challenges that we've overcome over the past 6 years, I think everybody would agree that this has been one of the most difficult projects Precision's ever been a part of. So we're really excited to get this one wrapped up and move on to the next one.